This week, we are using the processing to draw a natural process. This time, I choose to do the moon phase, so I start with draw a moon. Then I added the date information, so people can also choose the moon shape by the date. I also used the draw mountain function from the class, so it will draw the mountains every time you click the mouse. Then I added another function so people can redraw the whole thing after a couple seconds. And I also add some random stars around the moon so it looks more like the real light. After that, I add another simple function so people can save the picture by just pressing the Enter key. Last but not least, I use the new function to draw the moon so it looks more pretty.